Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I will say each sound, you repeat the sounds, and then together we will blend the word. There we go. Ace. Space. Slope. Slope. Eat. Sweet. Snake. Snake. Spin. Ski. Good. All right, now we're going to get ready to segment. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to chop it into its individual phonemes. The first word is snail. S-N-A-L. Slice. S-L-I-C. Sky. S-K-I. Sleeve. S-L-E-V. And then this last one is a long one, so listen carefully. Sweeter. Sweeter. S-W-E-T-er. Good. Nice job. All right, get your fists ready. We're going to substitute some phonemes. The word is snore. Change sn to st. Store. The word is sky. Change sk to sp. Spy. The word is slow. Change sl to sn. Snow. The word is steep. Change st to sl. Sleep. The word is snake. Change sn to st. Steak. Good. All right. Now we're going to add phonemes. So we're going to start with a word part, and we're going to add a s to the beginning. Remember, when we're doing blends, like we've been working all week and last week with these new S blends, we want to scoop those first two sounds together to make the blend. So if the first word is white and we're adding a s to the beginning, then we're saying swipe, swipe. Okay, so here we go. The word is tour. Add s to the beginning. Store. Good, store. The word is poke. Add s to the beginning. Spoke. The word is late. Add s to the beginning. Slate. The word is pace. Add s to the beginning. Space. The word is lime. Add s to the beginning. Slime. Good. Now we're going to remove just the s sound. So when we have a blend, it's two sounds scooped into one, or it's not scooped into one, but it's two sounds that are scooped together, and we're removing just the first sound in that. So just the s. The word is steam. Without s, the word is team. The word is skate. Without s, the word is Kate. The word is steak. Without s, the word is take. The word is sleep. Without s, the word is leap. The word is snow. Without s, the word is no. Nice job today.